Welcome to A to Z ERP training session. In this session, we will explore configuration page which is included in inventory management module. And we will discuss each section of this page in this video. At the top of this page, you can see the basic stats of this page like number of categories, subcategories, and number of colors and sizes. So here you can also apply any kind of filter, like if I type women's, then all the women categories will be listed over here. So if you want to add a new category, you can click on add button and write down the category name. For example, it's cat -1 and hit the add button, and your category is being added into your category section. You can also add sub cat -1 like subcategories, and further there are two levels of categories in the inventory section. You can define it, you can update it, or you can also delete it as well. The second section shows you the colors. Or configuration sections are used when you define a new item. You will select its category and subcategory, color, sizes, and unit of measure. You can add them in the same way. For example, you will write down the sky blue, sky gray, and you can also select beautifully the color here and add it. You can see you can edit a color or delete it as well. Same way you can add sizes of your different articles or product variants, and you can also define the unit of measure according to your need. You can see the list of predefined unit of measures, stock sizes, item colors, and categories and subcategories. Here you can see the men wears. These are all the total operations and usability of this page. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you have learned the inventory configuration page, and it will helps you to understand that how you can betterly manage A to Z ERP inventory configuration page.